It took every single one of his brain rots. Now I just wait for his reaction. Marky, join your private server. I got something to show you.
No, it's 4 a.m.
Just join.
Yes, damn it.
Ito pala siya definition.
Ang Rocky Dam, nakawala sila.
I was opening a secret lucky block when Arky did this.
Delikado ito pag gabi.
May abot ka.
Maabutan ka na malalim.
Until eventually the time came to release him. It was sad but necessary. 5 years later, the man went back to the jungle, and when he called, the gorilla suddenly appeared. But he didn't know if he remembered him. He ran toward the man and feared for his life. But as soon as the gorilla reached him, he embraced him and cuddled up to his old friend. He even introduced him to his friends. And when it came time to say goodbye, the gorilla didn't want to let go.
Ito PC eh.
The gorilla was
may tulos yung putang-putang o. Putang-putang kulo. Kakaagwa. Kakaagwa ng ilog nila.
Wala siyang intersection.
Kulang.
May pangkalan pa. Ada pangkalan ko, laban.
Nabingi na ito bata.
Pangkalan din.